It's from Flap Flap Pizza Truck 1 and 2.
Today we're gonna make grilled cheese.
So first, take 2 pieces of bread. This can be any type of bread that you want it to be. And I'll take
Just bread.
And then you take your 2 pieces, put it on a plate. Then you take any type of butter. It can be spray on or just this meltable butter that we got here. And you're gonna rub it on your bread.
Hey, I don't have a plate. Oh, I did.
Make sure to get every square inch. You don't want your grilled cheese sandwich to slide.
Yeah, the more butter you put on it, the more crispy it will be and more delicious.
Yum.
It has to be loaded.
Yeah, with butter. Need butter.
So, look at mine. So you see, it's fully buttered. Now you're going to put it on a griddle. So the first one, you're going to put butter side down. Hear that sizzle. Now you're just going to wait, and you're going to put some cheese. Wait, where's the cheese? Cheese. Oh, right. Oh, yeah. So you're going to take some cheese of your choice. It can be American, Gouda, Monterey Jack, anything, etc. So then you're going to take about a handful. Okay. And you're going to put it on your grilled cheese sandwich. 2 handfuls to be exact. And then you're going to add the other piece of breader. Breader. You're going to add the other piece of bread with the butter side up. And now
You wait until the right moment to flip it. Let your parents do this.
or we can do it. But you need parent supervision.
So you actually want to flip it? Sure. Oh my god. Mine's going to be the wrong.
Okay, so now you're just gonna wait. You can talk about something or anything. And so look at James. So he's gonna put American cheese on his. Or over there.
You know, I'm putting butter on mine.
And so remember what we said before, the more butter that you have on it, the more crispy it'll be. So
Where's the spatula?
hey James, did you put it the butter side up?
Oh, dang
It's
it.
right here. It's right here.
It's okay to make mistakes on this.
Same.
Just make sure it tastes good, and that's all that matters. Or you can do what James is doing, just make the butter crispy.
Now how do I flip?
Now for the reveal.
Put
Ah. Wait, let me get this backwards and what?
So
Golden
since
brown.
James put on a lot of butter, it's really crispy now.
Now my cheese is melting halfway side.
Okay.
Then
Now
still
time
on
for
the
the
butter.
reveal.
And flip.
And flip. Look at that golden brown crispiness. Now you're going for the other side, the heat, and the butter will turn as crispy as before.
And all my cheese.
Then you can get some other stuff like bacon, or you can have like grapes on the side and stuff like that. Or you can just make it plain. It's fine, whatever you want to do. So now, you're going to get your own plate, like I have here. And so James is going to put his on his plate. Here, I'll pull it.
Oh boy. I can't even flip it.
Don't touch
Oh my
your
God.
skin.
Oh my God. Okay, there we go. We got it.
Here, let me reveal the other side.
Okay. The reveal, crispy brown.
And for some
Now
reason-
for the other side. Flip. See that? That's good. Now,
you can cut it however you want, or just eat it whole.
you're going to unplug your griddle. So then let it cool down. Then you can do what James is doing and cut it in half.
Or either way, doesn't matter. As long as you have tasty sandwiches.
Stay around to the end where we will eat it and taste test it.
Yum.
So now,
Oh, do it.
you put some bacon on yours to add extra flavor.
You have to learn it.
And then you can also add some fruit.
Wait,
Grapes.
Oh, shoot. Hold on, don't put it on yet. That one's gonna happen.
And then, this is what it should look like. And are you done with your drinks or gonna add anything else?
I'm all good. I just need to. Yep. And Hudson's is cooking.
Yeah, mine is cooking. Mine is cooking.
Now
Mine
you're
is
stand behind him.
cooking.
Now you're going to cut it,
Cooking.
In whatever way you want.
and now take it off. And now, ready?
No.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Set. Eat.
Really good.
Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Bye.